Hey everyone, it's Breneman here. I am super excited to share this video with you because I'm unboxing something. I got something from Amazon. I'm super excited because it's something that I love doing as a child and even as an adult. And I've did some research on it, and it looks like they have made some improvements upon this tool, and it's great for exercise. So I don't know about you, but I need something to distract myself from actually exercising. I need something fun, something that I'll do. I do the rebounder, but I'm adding to that. And so if you're catching me live, put a 1 down in the comments. And if you catch me on replay, put a number 2, just so I can welcome you. All right, this is it. I got my weighted hula hoop. I love to hula hoop. In fact, I tease my husband saying one of these days we're going to go on a cruise that has a hula hoop contest on it. And anyway, I wanted to just share this with you. This hula hoop is going to weigh 3 pounds. And you don't need a weighted hula hoop, apparently, to get benefits. You can actually just have a child's hula hoop. But the weighted hula hoop has some benefits to it, and I'll be going over those as I put it together. So I opened the box to see what things would look like, and it comes in pieces like this. So as you can imagine, this is going to be super convenient. If I wanted to take this hula hoop with me anywhere, you know, I can do that. So it comes with, this is what it's looking like here. It has an end like that and an end like this, and you just piece it together. And I did half already, just so, and it just clicks into place like that. And so you're just building your hula hoop here. Now, I did a little bit of research, and let me just say, because I am no medical professional, that you will want to talk to your doctor about, you know, doing any kind of exercise, including weighted hula hoop. So I am just going to piece these together here and see what happens. Let me get this over to the side. Oops. Almost done. It's super big. It looks like it's bigger than ordinary hula hoops for sure. All right, so hula hooping. You can burn 7 calories. Let's see, 7 calories what? A minute. 7 calories a minute. It engages your abs and your hips. See how big this is? Isn't that huge? Oh my goodness. 7 calories. It's low impact, but it keeps your abs engaged. I'm just kind of making sure everything's connected here. And a weighted hula hoop, this is kind of foamy. So yeah, it has, you know, padding to it. A weighted hula hoop spins at a slower rate, making it easier to keep it around your waist. And you can use it for longer periods of time. Should we try it out? This is such a kid thing. See, I'm gonna love this. Oh yeah, see, it definitely goes slower. Actually kind of has a wobbling effect. So my plan is to start off 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the, you know, afternoon, evening, and kind of build up where I can exercise or hula hoop 20 to 30 minutes a day. I don't know, a few times a week. We shall see. So be sure, check with your doctor before trying it. I'm excited about this, and I can't wait to, yeah. So I love to walk, but I hate being cold. I'd rather be flabby than cold. So I needed something that I can do in my home, and this seemed like just the thing for me. And it's not just for children. And so leave me a comment. What is your favorite exercise? What would motivate you to work out in such a way that it's fun and that you look forward to it? I'd love to hear from you. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share. I'd love to hear from you. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.